This video is going to show you how to edit your photos on your camera. So you can go to your photo app on whatever camera you use. I have an iPhone. They're always updating the iPhone. They're always updating every phone, so your editing tools will be slightly different than mine. That's totally fine. You can kind of figure it out the way I figure out any new updates. I just kind of bumble around on some photos that I don't care very much about and see what they do, what the app does. So here's the photo that I took, and I'm going to press this little icon here. The first thing I generally do is to reorient and crop the photo. So if I want the photo to be in a different orientation, I can rotate the photo like this by pressing that icon. If the photo is off center, I can twist the photo like that. There's a little grid there that turns up so that you can kind of figure out how to best orient your photo. And then to crop the photo, I take the little boxes and I just drag the box to where I want it to be. You want to make sure that there isn't any stuff outside of the actual artwork. And then to mess around with the color, if the color or the lighting is off, I can press light, and this will make my photo either lighter or darker. You can play around with all of the different aspects of light that they have there. You can play around with color, so you can desaturate the photo so that all of the color disappears, or you can amp up the color, make it so that the color is more vibrant. There's a bunch of different things that you can do, and I would recommend using these slider tools instead of this icon, these tools that make these weird filters, kind of like Instagram first had when Instagram first came out. It looks really cool, all those cool filters, but the ideal photo is one in which the photo looks exactly like the original artwork. So you want to make sure that you're not messing around with it too much. So I'm not using any of those filters. I want to go right back to where I was and press done. Now this is my edited photo. You can review by going to this one. If the icons disappear, just tap the photo again. You can go here. I'm going to slide this up like this. Cropped. My color was pretty good because the photo was taken in the right conditions. Let's do this one. We need to rotate the photo. And then crop the photo. And there's that. Okay, so I'm going to now go to Blackboard, and this is Module 9. I'm going to upload the photos to the response area. So here's response 9 for Art 104. This is where you will be uploading your photos. I can't read things this small, so I'm going to come down here. I'm going to browse my computer and go to my phone library. Let's see. We've got these not too long ago, so I'm going to go here. So I picked that photo, and there it is there. I want to get my other ones. Let's see. Make sure that they're different numbers so that I can make sure that I'm getting all the photos that I want to get. Okay, so I've got number 1, number 2, number 3. And If you change your mind, you can always write do not attach. And then I'm going to submit these. Since I'm the teacher, it might not let me submit them, but that's what you would write. You would do. If it goes through, it'll go through, and that'll be that. See, since I'm a professor, I can't submit them, so that little red box comes up. If you don't get a red box, that means that you did everything right. So that's the instructions for module number 9.